So hi, it's Dr. Clare here again from Dr. Clare's Apothecary in Galway, where I'm here with my team this afternoon, and have something for the grown-ups and the children. The first one is for nourishing any chesty, cough, congestion, would be our own traditional Carrageen, and this is harvested from the west coast of Ireland. And you put it into about a litre of boiling water, and you can then add the Clearway anti-congestion 3 teaspoon tea sachets, and make it up into quite a pleasant tasting drink. There's lots of other ways you can use it, and you can find those out by just looking up the YouTube videos. So I'll tell you a bit about the congestion tea. This is very good if you're any kind of nasal congestion. It's also good for the digestive system as well, because anything that's happening up in these airways here, which is lined by mucous membranes, continues down the digestive tract. So the herbs are thyme, mullein, eyebright, marshmallow leaf, licorice and ginger. So it tastes quite nice between the licorice and ginger, and it's very good for any kind of postnasal drip or congested sinuses. And the more clear you keep them, the less able, the less susceptible they are to getting sinus problems.
So this one is more for the lungs, isn't it, Dr. Clare? And then this one is the actual congestion one if you have sinuses.
Yes, this is good for all of the mucous membranes of the whole tract. And this is particularly good if you have difficulty with breathing because the sinuses are blocked, and sometimes you get one nostril or the other nostril, and this will help clear it. And the herbs in here contain thyme, elderflower, peppermint and yarrow, along with plantain and cayenne seeds. So it's hotter, and you may have noticed with peppermint tea just by itself that it clears the nasal passages. So this is much more aromatic and heating, and this is much more diffusive. They're both nourishing, they're both all full of food herbs, and just very good for supporting health in those particular ways.
So the names are, this one is
Clearway tea pack. These have 3 teaspoons in each sachet. You use 1 sachet per day, and that's a 14-day supply. So it's the equivalent of 14 by 3, which I think is 42 tea bags. So you're getting 3 tea bags a day, or 3 teaspoons in 1 sachet. So that's how these work. And this makes compliance much more easy, because I find people are very reluctant to use loose tea leaves. So this makes it much easier. You just take out the tea sachet and throw it in your compost bin. And the same with this, but we also have these in loose teas.
Great. So that's the Clearway and congestion tea. And where are they available?
They're available in a lot of suppliers are taking them on nationwide, and you can find that out from the website. You can find our list of suppliers, or you can contact us through the website, which is Dr. Clare's Apothecary, and we can courier them to you within 48 hours.
Great. Thank you.